Welcome to our Perfect classes. In this video, I will discuss about infinite series. First of all, I will tell you about sequences. What is sequence? A sequence of real number is defined as a function. A sequence of real numbers which is defined as a function that will be represent like this: f colon n raised to power r. N is ratio. You can say n implies r, means n is a set of natural numbers and r is a set of real numbers. A sequence can be expressed as f1, f2, f3 up to fn. For example, we have given 1 over n, and what will be the sequence? 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. This is a sequence. Now second point is, what is convergent sequence? A sequence converges to a number represented by L if for given epsilon greater than 0. If epsilon greater than 0, then a sequence converges to a number L. There exists a positive integer m which depends on epsilon, such that sequence which is represented by un minus L. L is a converges to a number which should be less than epsilon. For all natural numbers, they are greater than equal to m. M means positive integer number. Then L is called limit of the given sequence. What will be called L? L is called limit of given sequence. We can write limit. How to write limit? We can write limit like this: LIM in small letters, n is to infinite. That means number started from 1 and that will be go infinite. Un is a sequence that should be equal to L, converges to a number L, or you can say un implies L. Now, what is the definition of infinite series? An expression of the form u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus up to un is known as infinite series or real numbers, where each un is a real number, means each sequence is called real number. It is denoted by sigma infinite n is equal to 1 un. Sigma infinite n is equal to 1, that is equal to 1 by n. 1 by n means they will be in the sequence like 1 by 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 up to infinite series. That is known as is an infinite series. That number, that series which have no limit, that is known as infinite series. Now next is a convergence of an infinite series. Consider an infinite series. Infinite sigma n is equal to 1, un is equal to u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus up to infinite. When we write like here we write infinite, here we write n is equal to 1. That means number is started from 1 and goes to infinite. This is lower limit and this is upper limit. Let us define S1, that should be equal to U1. And what will be the S2? That should be equal to U1 plus U2. What will be the S3? That should be U1 plus U2 plus U3 up to infinite. And Sn, U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus Un up to infinite number. Then sequence Sn. Sequence is represented by Sn. So formed is known as sequence of partial sums, that is known as SOPS. SOPS. Sequence of partial sums of given series. Now next point is this is your convergent series. In convergent series will be u1 plus u2 plus u3 up to un, and plus that should be equal to sigma infinite n is equal to 1 un converges if sequence Sn of partial sums converges, that is limit n is implies, you can say n is to infinite Sn. If this exists, also if limit n infinite Sn is equal to S. Here S is called sum of the given series. What is divergent series? A series u1 plus u2 plus u3 up to un, that should be equal to infinite sigma n is equal to 1 un diverges. How to diverge? If sequence Sn limit n infinite n is to infinite Sn is equal to plus infinite or minus infinite, then we can say that is divergent series. And in case convergent series, it should be equal to S, or in divergent series it should be equal to plus infinite or minus infinite. Okay, thank you. I will continue this series in next videos. If you like this video, please like and share my channel with your friends so that they can take benefits from upcoming videos, and you can take benefits from infinite series chapter in next videos. Thank you.